Two more nice days. New details tonight after an upstate New York girl who had gone missing was found. Police say Charlotte Sena was found last night and in good health. They've arrested 47-year-old Craig Nelson Ross Jr. You see him on your screen. A fingerprint was found on a ransom note he allegedly left in the family's mailbox. He's been charged with kidnapping and was taken to Saratoga County Jail. His next court date scheduled for October 17th at 10:30. Local law enforcement here in Erie County say advancements in technology like the one that allowed for that rapid fingerprint test, it's one of the many reasons they're now able to save cases similar to this one more quickly. Would you know how to respond if an active shooter scenario unfolded at your workplace or in any public setting where you happen to be? It's a good question, one to consider, and it's one that folks did consider today at the VA. That was the question of the day during an active shooter training. The VA's own police department leads team drills several times a year, but today is much bigger. VA police and staff collaborated with Erie City and state police and local first responders like EmergiCare and the Erie Fire Department. They did it in the Behavioral Health Building with an officer using a training weapon playing the role of an armed, disgruntled person. The goal there, to increase readiness, to try to keep patients, staff, and visitors safe, just in case the real thing ever happens. Fingers crossed it never does, but always better to have a plan. And Starbucks says it has developed new climate-proof coffee. The chain has to innovate. There's concern that because of global warming, conditions that are hospitable to coffee growing won't last for another 20 years. Warming temperatures will reduce the crop's sustainable farming area by up to 50%, according to some reports. And that's why Starbucks has 6 new varieties that can handle hotter temperatures and are more disease resistant. They're the result of a decade of research and hundreds of attempts trying to pair varieties as they grew new ones. Starbucks says the new flavors will have notes of melon and honey and sugar. Another one, citrus, herbal, and floral tastes in these new, more climate change resistant coffee varieties. Remember, use that